Hey everybody, I'm back on the river camping. Got an electric light hung up, lantern, F-150, got a fire going, minnow trap, minnow bucket, there's the river, couple chairs, got my tent set up, cooler of food, cooler of cold beverages, metal detector, kerosene lantern on a tripod, got two Coleman lanterns, one's in the tree, the other one's in a box right there. Got to put some mantles on that. Got some propane, got some water, more jugs of water on the truck, got binoculars, propane, paper towels, paper plates, paper cups. Going to make some hash browns with taters, pot, coffee pot works off the Coleman stove, cast iron griddle, cast iron skillet, cast iron pot, fishing poles. So getting ready to fly my drone over the campsite here, I think, in a few minutes. I'm going to throw that minnow trap out with some bologna and hot dogs and some bread, leave it overnight. Probably leave it a couple of days actually. Go up here to my friend's cabin, got my firewood, got a good fire going. I'm going to cook some beans on this fire tomorrow on this tripod. Got 3 of these tripods. They work pretty good for lanterns or cooking. Fire's going pretty good. There's my campsite. So I'm going to go up here and see what he's got going on. And just got here, finally got everything set up. Nice place out here. Neighbors, not too close. I'll be back. Thank y'all for watching. Please subscribe to my channel if you haven't already. Click like on the video, please.